Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore watermark removal for your own footage using After Effects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring a watermark in your footage using After Effects, open the application on your computer. Import the footage you wish to edit by navigating to File and selecting Import or simply dragging the file into the project panel. Once your footage is imported, create a new composition by right-clicking on the footage in the project panel and selecting New Comp from Selection. In the timeline, find the section of your footage where use the Roto Brush tool for detailed selection by first clicking on the layer of your footage to activate it. Double-click on the footage layer to enter the layer panel. Now, select the Roto Brush tool from the toolbar at the top of the interface. Carefully paint over the watermark to create a mask. Once you have outlined the watermark, After Effects will begin to automatically track the movement. Inspect the tracked area frame by frame to make sure the watermark is perfectly covered. If needed, adjust the mask using the Refine Edge tool to ensure a seamless integration with the footage. After completing the Roto Brush adjustments, return to the main composition by clicking the Composition tab. Now, duplicate the original footage layer by pressing Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac. On the duplicated layer, select the Roto Brush effect and apply it by going to Effect, then keying, and choosing Roto Brush. This layer will now show the adjusted mask you created earlier. To blend the two layers, adjust the opacity of the top layer until the watermark appears less pronounced. If necessary, add a slight feather to the mask in the mask settings to soften the edges and blend it better. You may also consider applying a color correction effect on the top layer to match it more closely with the original footage. Finally, render your composition by going to File, then Export, and selecting Add to Render Queue. Choose your desired output set. Review your final footage to ensure the watermark restoration looks seamless and natural. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.